Hey guys, this is Lucy, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set A5 size in Word. So all you need to do is open Microsoft Word in your laptop, and there would be a tab called Layout. You need to go there, and here in Page Setup there is an option called Size. You just need to click on the drop down arrow right there, and you will see a lot of options where you can change the sizes of your page. So go ahead and click on A5, and there you have it. Your Word document page has been transformed into A5 size. What else you can do is that click on the button again and go to more paper sizes. So here in paper size, select A5, and down here somewhere there will be a option called set as default. So if you click on this, it will change all future documents to A5 sizes. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.